Today I am so happy to show you how to do eggless vanilla cookies. And viewers, hit the subscribe button and also click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And our ingredients are flour 750 grams, we have our icing sugar 300 grams, our margarine 565 grams, and some sugar to coat, plus few drops of vanilla essence, and that is it. Now we'll start by putting our flour in, plus our icing sugar and our margarine, plus few drops of vanilla essence inside. Then using our dough mixer, we are going to mix until it is well incorporated. And always remember to start with the lowest speed so that the flour incorporates, the mixture incorporates well without splashing out of the bowl. Our mix is ready. Transfer our mix. Ready for rolling now and coating it with sugar. And carefully put it on the tray. Now we are going to put them in the fridge for 30 minutes before we start cutting them and baking them. After resting in the fridge for 30 minutes, now we are going to slice it, arrange it in our baking tray, then bake it at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Our end product, eggless vanilla cookies, very nice. Please try it. For the people who don't like eggs, this is the perfect recipe for you guys. Try it and let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to Anlele YouTube channel and also click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.